There you go for rusty old, huh? Look at that. Digging up the ground and everything for old machinery.
Let's go and see what that is.
Look at the teeth on that. This is back in the old horse days and everything. And you could kind of tell by the wood here how super old this is. How do you like that? Not too much to the seed either. Look at all the pieces. Look how butt wasn't so big back then. There you go. Look at that. The old springs and everything. There you go. Of course, they didn't have the tires. They had the metal and stuff. So, oh, look, she's walking on stilts there. Cool. All right. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more. Bye-bye.